Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve into the world of Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 18, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 18, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.65. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation and observe how it unfolds in the upcoming days. The stock is currently experiencing a rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 8.62% change in the stock's value, with a possible return between 4.65% and 17.43%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 24.91% change, with a potential return between 16.2% and 33.53%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $219.19 to $251.88 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to sell candidate." On the last trading day, the Apple stock price increased by 3.26%, going from $182.68 to $188.63. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.77%, reaching a low of $185.84 and a high of $189.14. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 2.38% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume has increased alongside the price, signaling a positive trend. In total, 32 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 77 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $14.54 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $133.77. Currently, the price is 5.51%, or $10.99, lower than the 52-week high and 17.36%, or $39.63, lower than the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a negative grade. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned a neutral grade to Apple with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals identified for Apple. Today, there are mixed signals in the stock. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal for Apple, while the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, it gives a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $190.63. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $185.40. Breaking above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 4.79% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is showing a sell signal. The Pivots indicator generated a sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average is giving a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 12 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to support levels, Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $185.64. This is an important level to watch as it may provide a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is being tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Now, let's discuss the level of risk associated with trading Apple stock. With its average movements during the day and good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In terms of recent volatility, the stock moved $3.29 between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to a 1.77% change. Looking at the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.55%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. The PE ratio we're seeing here is quite normal, and it is often observed in businesses with established track records or consistent revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $197.57. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $185.64. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Apple, as determined by multiple analyst sources, is classified as a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold a total of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold a substantial amount of 123,448 shares of common stock. However, on the same day, Adams Catherine L. also purchased 123,448 shares of common stock. Continuing on November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold another 123,448 shares of common stock. And on November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -21.627. In total, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple currently shows several negative signals, indicating that it may underperform in the coming days or weeks. We have reassessed our analysis and now consider this stock a sell candidate, downgrading it from a previous hold/accumulate rating. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As for trading on Friday, January 19th, we anticipate Apple's opening to be down $0.762, starting at $187.87. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but remember that the responsibility for your investment choices rests with you. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What price target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.